Hello there. So the question is, what is diode forward voltage? And the answer is, at the moment, I don't really know. So I'm going to show you what a lot of people say it is and what as far as I can tell, it isn't. So the first thing it isn't is the voltage at which the diode begins conducting. So what we've got here is, on the right, we've got a schematic which shows I've got 5 resistors, 1k, 10k, 100k, 1 meg, 10 meg, so 10 times larger values. And then I've got a flying lead to a diode, which is a 1N4148, which is like the most common diode in use. It's everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step down. So we're going to reduce the current by approximately 10 times each time, because I've got a flying lead between the diode and the resistors that are connected to the power supply. So at the moment we're reading, as near as I can get it, 10 volts. So that's on the 1k resistor, which is equivalent to 10 milliamps. So now we're going to switch to the voltage across the diode. We're getting 740 millivolts, which is about what you'd expect. So that is at 10 milliamps. So we're going to move down through the resistors. So this is going to be approximately 1 milliamp. And we've got just shy of 600 millivolts. And we're going to go down to 100 microamperes. And that is just shy of 500 millivolts. 10 microamperes, a little bit less than 400 millivolts, and 1 microampere, which is just shy of 300 millivolts. So what you can see there is we've got an exponential reduction in current with a linear reduction of voltage across the diode. And I'm just going to show you the error, because there is one. I need to swap the lead around. You can see that it's about 4%, and that error is obviously caused by the voltage across the resistor increasing. So we're actually dropping more voltage as we go along, and therefore there's slightly more current. But as you can see, it's about a 4% error. So the other thing we're going to look at is these are curves that I've drawn up from the first 2 resistors. So this is the 1k resistor, this is the 10k resistor. And we've got 996, which is the exact value, 9850. And to me, these are just exponential curves. You know, I'm not seeing a knee voltage here, really. You know, to me, it all seems terribly arbitrary. Because a lot of people say well, we've shown that it's not the voltage at which the current starts. We've already shown that, because it's usually quoted as being between 600 to 700 millivolts. And to me, there's no knee there. You know, you're picking an arbitrary point on an exponential curve to me. Now, it could be that I've done something wrong. You know, there's something wrong with my methodology. And I'd like to know. But at the moment, you know, what is for diode forward voltage, I'm not really sure. All right, see you later.